Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review, and guess what? I just received a package from the mailman, something I ordered from Aliexpress 2 weeks ago. So now let's dive in and see what's inside. Here I got 3 Bullbars, one for the DW5600. Another one is for the DW6900, and the last one is for the GA2100. Now I've got the DW5600 and the GA2100 with me today, but unfortunately I don't have any 6900 series watches right now, so we'll be installing the Bullbars on these two watches. Let's start with the DW5600 Bullbar. By the way, this is a fantastic budget range G-Shock. If you want to know more, please check our review. Okay, here's the Bullbar. The packaging is pretty simple without any instructions, but maybe they think who will need instruction for this? Now let's take a closer look. It seems okay with just a few finishing imperfections at the connection point. And now let's install it on the watch. This should be the right orientation. Attach it on one side and then push in the other side. And voila, it's done. Looks awesome, doesn't it? It fits nicely with the watch, the dimensions, fittings, shape, and so on. Next up, let's continue with the Bullbar for the GA2100. Here's the Bullbar, also in basic packaging without any instructions. Once again, let's take a closer look. There are some minor imperfections at the joining point, but nothing major. And that one is going to be positioned underneath the watch. Alright, let's install the Bullbar. Okay, this should be the correct position. But I must admit, this one is a bit trickier to install compared to the DW5600. And after a bit of pushing, it finally clicked right into place. And here's the result. Looks great, offering some extra protection and cool appearance. So here we have it, 2 G-Shock watches with Bullbars. It's a quick modification that you can do without any tools. And I'm so sorry I don't have the DW6900 for you today. If you're interested with the Bullbars, check the link in the video description. Thank you for watching, I hope you have a great day and see you again in the next video.